Good afternoon, students. In the last class, we studied linear equations in one variable in that introduction, exercise 3.1, exercise 3.2. In that, we studied expression, equation, and in 3.1, how to solve a simplest linear equations in a simplified manner. Okay, and then some applications also we studied in 3.2. okay, so that means different types of word problems and how to solve, how to find out, all those things we studied. Okay, now today we are going to study in part 2 solving equations having the variables on both the sides. In a previous class we studied having the variable on one side. Okay, now in this topic we are studying solving equations having the variable on both the sides. Okay, now solve that means in the exercise itself you will come to know how to solve it. I will explain. Okay, exercise 3.3. okay children, solve the following equations and check your results. So first problem is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Okay, so in this see here you can see this type of problems you have solved already, but I will teach for you. And then what is this? Once again see the question, solve the following equations and check your results. That means we have to verify whether our answers are correct or not. Okay, so for that first problem I will teach that one, how to verify. First problem is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So you can observe in this problem, what you can observe here children, see two variables we have here, 3x and 2x, two variables, and here 18 constant. Okay, so two variables on both the sides. So in that situation, how to solve? Okay, now here you can observe here 3x variables, you can take this side. Is it 3x minus 2x is equal to, so here the method, okay, in this way also you can like simplify. Okay, see how I have simplified here. 3x is there now, here 2x is there. How much we have to see in left hand side, that means in right hand side 2x is there. 2x to eliminate 2x, 3x minus 2x. In this let us subtract 2x. The same thing here 2x is there, so for that subtract 2x plus 18. Okay, now 3x minus 2x is equal to x is equal to 2x minus x, 2x will get cancelled, plus 18. Okay, now x is equal to 18. See children, if you see one more method also we can do. In one more method also we can do. What is that method here? You can observe here 3x. See here 3x. What is there this side? 2x is there now in right hand side. So that you can, if you take this to left hand side, what it becomes children? Plus 2x will become minus 2x is equal to 18. Okay, now 3x minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is equal to what? 1x. That is equal to 18. That is, what is the value of x? 18. Okay, in this way also you can simplify children. So here this is also one of the method to solve, to simplify. Okay children, that is why I have explained like this, in this manner. What you have to do is, which is lesser, try to what is it? Try to eliminate. Here 2x is lesser. This 2x what is that? This variable is lesser. 3x is greater. So 2x you eliminate first. Then afterwards you can eliminate the greater this also. Okay, now 3x, that is why 2x I have taken here, subtracted. Why I have subtracted here children? Listen carefully. I have subtracted here 2x because here if you subtract 2x will get cancelled. In right hand side only 18 it remains. Are you understanding? Okay, so 3x minus 2x will become 1x is equal to 18, x is equal to 18. In this way you can do it, or else if you feel this is easier, so you can go for this. So whichever is easier for you, you can go for that simplification. Okay children, okay, hope you understood. Okay, Now for this x is equal to 18 we got. Now is this 18? Answer 18 we got, no, x value. Okay, is this answer is correct or wrong? To check, we have to go for verification. You can see here in this side, you can see verification. In this, what the question is here, 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Yes or no, children? So what you have to do, what answer we got here, x is equal to 18 we got here. Okay, x is equal to 18. You can substitute here. 3x will become 3 into 18. Understanding? Is equal to 2 into 18 plus 18. Okay, now 3 18s are how much? 54 is equal to 2 18s or 18 2s are 36 plus 18. 54 is equal to, what is this? 54. 36 plus 18 is 54. Understanding? So here you can see left hand side is equal to right hand side. Both the sides we got a same answer. Therefore what we got here, x is equal to 18 is perfectly correct. Understood, children? Now let us move to next problem. Here, see here, in that means first one I have done. Where is second, third, fourth? You may ask. Second, third, fourth and all is there for homework. Okay, so this fifth one. So I went to fifth one. So whichever you are feeling it difficult, I have solved. Okay, what I have given in that homework, if you are feeling difficult, I hope after understanding this and all, you will do it. Okay, you will do it easily. You can do it. Okay, so try to do it. If you are not finding answer, you can ask me. Okay, so now fifth problem is 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. See here we have, you see here, when you take this question, you must observe what first you have to observe. Yes, here is how many variables are there. So here this side you have 2x and here x. So both the sides we have two variables. So that we have to eliminate first. That means that you have to make it shorter. Okay, make it smaller, simpler. Okay, 2x is there. So here which is the smaller variable? X is the smaller variable. So here minus x is there. What you have to do to eliminate this one? Minus x to eliminate plus x. Understanding? If you write plus x, minus x plus x will get cancelled or not, children? Minus x plus x will get cancelled, is it not? So that is why we have to take a plus x. Understood? We have to decide. Okay, so 2x plus x. Understood? Now why I have chosen plus x? Since here we have a minus x. This is the smallest variable. So let us let us eliminate this. To eliminate this plus x we need. Okay, so 2x plus x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x plus x. So x minus x will get cancelled. Understanding? Now 2x plus x is what? 3x minus 1 is equal to, what is this? 14. Now, so in this constant, this variables we simplified. Now what about the constant? See, variable only one side is there, but constant two sides are there, both the sides. To eliminate that, what we can do, we have to select smallest constant. This is minus 1 is there. So then to eliminate minus 1, what we can do? Plus 1. Understanding, children? Plus 1 if you take. So if you take plus 1 here, this side also you have to take a plus 1. Adding plus 1. Okay. So minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. 3x is equal to 14 plus 1. So 3x is equal to 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay. Now 3x divide, that means 3x is equal to 15. You got, no? Now this variable 3x is there. Now we have to find out what is x. But here 3 is there, no, children. So for that 3x, to eliminate 3x, what we have to do? 3 into x it is. How to eliminate? Into means divide. If you do, what you get? 3 will get cancelled. So if you take 3 here, 3 will get cancelled. So what we have to do here? Here 3 we have taken, means here also we have to take 3. 3x divided by 3 is equal to 15 divided by 3. 3 will get cancelled. 3 5s are 15. X is equal to 5. Understood, children? Okay. Now, for this x is equal to 5 we got. Understood? We got 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are will get cancelled. X is equal to 5 we got. Now, next, for this, what is the verification? What is the verification? How to verify this? How to check? Verification is nothing but checking the answer, whether our answer is correct or wrong. Okay. Now, 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. 2x, 2 into x is what? 5 minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x is 5. Okay. 2 5s are 10 minus 1 is equal to 14 minus 5 is 9. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 is equals to 9. Both the side we got what? Same answer we got. Therefore, our answer is x is equal to 5 is correct. Okay, children. Next, let us move to sixth one. Okay, sixth one. So, in sixth one, you can observe here in sixth one, 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 times x plus 1 plus 7. This is the question, children. So, here, if you find like this, 3 times x plus x minus 1, so try to multiply. Okay, 3 times x is what? 3x minus 3 1s are 3. Understanding? 3 belongs to x and 1 also. 3x minus 3 1s are 3 plus 7. Here as it is, you have right, because we have to simplify this now. So we simplified here. Here not necessary to simplify first. Let us simplify this. So we simplified. Next, 8x. Here 8x is a variable and here 3x is a variable. Understanding? Two variables on both the sides. So which is the smallest variable? 3x is the smallest variable. Take that 3x. That means here both the sides we have to, this is plus 3x is there, so you have to take what? Minus 3x. So how? 8x minus 3x, 8x minus 3x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3x plus minus 3 plus 7 is what? Plus 4. Minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4. Understanding? Okay. Now, 8x minus 3x is what? 5x plus 4 is equal to 3x. 3x will get cancelled. 4. Now, 8x minus 3x is how much? 5x plus 4 is equal to 3x. 3x will get cancelled. Plus 4 will get. 5x, 4 will get cancelled. Here 4 will get cancelled. 5x equal to 0. Then x is equal to 0 divided by 5. Is it not? 5 comes here, or else you can do in this method also, divided by 5 and divide by 5. If you do divide by 5 both the sides, 5 will get cancelled. Here 0 by 5 is nothing but x is equal to 0. Understood? So is this correct answer? Let us check here. Verification. 8x, the same thing you write, 8x plus 4. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 times x minus 1 plus 7. So in this 8 into 0, correct? X value is what we got to 0. 8 into 0 plus 4 is equal to 3 times 0 minus 1 plus 7. 8 zeros are 0 plus 4 is equal to 3 zeros are 0 minus 1. That 0 have left here. 3 zeros are 0 is nothing. Okay, so 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 7. Okay, 4 is equal to minus 3 plus 7 is 4. 4 is equal to 4. Okay. Understood? So therefore our answer is correct. Understood? Then next problem what we have taken here is 8th question. 8th question is 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Okay. So now 2x by 3 here and 7x by 3 is 15 is there. So here both, here left hand side, I am trying to take left hand side. So both the sides, what I have done, minus 7x by 15 I have subtracted. 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 minus 7x by 15 plus 3. You can do like this also. Okay. So now here take LCM for 3 and 15. What is the LCM? 15 is the LCM, correct? 3 and 15, if you don't know, see here 3 and 15, what is the LCM, children? 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are Yes or no? Like this only, no? We have to find. Now LCM is equal to 3 into 1 into 5, that is equal to 15. Okay children. Now 15 is the LCM. 3 5s are 5 2s are 10x minus 15 1s are 1 into 7x plus 1 is equals to, these two will get cancelled, plus 3 you got. Okay children. Now next step is 10x minus 7x is how much? 3x by 15 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3x by 15 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 1. My plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. 3x by 15 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, 3x by 15, say multiply. Since we have to eliminate this 15, divided by 15 is there. If you do multiplication of 15, both the sides you have to do. Okay, into 15, what you get? 15 will get cancelled. 2 into 15 here. 3x is equal to 15 2s are 30. Okay, now 3x here, to eliminate 3, what we have to do? We have to divide by 3. Why? Because it is into, so we have to divide by 3 is equal to 30. Divide by 3 is equals to, what you get here? 3 1s are, x is equal to 3 1s are 3 10s are. This x is equal to 10 children. The next, let us come to the verification. 2x plus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Here x is 10, is it not? 10. 2 into 10 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 into 10 by 15 plus 3. Okay. Now 20 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 70 by 15 plus 3. 20 plus that, how we got this on 20 plus 3? See children, LCM. Okay, because here in between the fractions we have plus. So 3 and 1. What is LCM of 3 and 1? 3. 3 1s are 3 1s are 120s, 120s are 20 plus 1 3s are 3 1s are 3 is equal to 15 divided by 1. Again 15 and 1, what is the LCM? 15 is the LCM. 15 1s are 1 into 70, 70 plus 1 15s are 15 3s are 45. Okay, now 20 plus 3 is 23 divided by 3 is equal to 70 plus 45 is 115 divided by 15. Okay, now 23 divided by 3 is equal to, what we get here? 23 by 3. How we got 23 by 3 children here? See, 5 3s are 15 children. Both this numerator and denominator is divided by 5. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So 23 by 3. This is what? 8th problem. Okay, so these two are equal. So therefore x is equal to 10 is exactly correct answer. Now 10th answer. Just observe here children. 10th answer is 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Two variables, 3m minus 5m, because try to take variables in the right hand side. That is why I want to eliminate 5m. Okay, so 3m minus 5m is equal to, here 5m minus 5m. Understood why minus 5m I have chosen? Because plus 5m is there. So 3m minus 5m is equal to 5m minus 5m minus 8 by 5. Now 5m will get cancelled. 3m minus 5m is nothing but minus 2m is equal to minus 8 by 5 minus 2, that is minus will get cancelled. 2m is equal to 8 by 5 we get. Now 2m, to eliminate this, so 2 divide by 2 both the sides, divide by 2, 5 into 2, then 2 1s will get cancelled. M is equal to 5 2s are 10, again for the 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. M is equal to 4 by 5 children. Now let us come to the verification. Here 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. 3 into, answer we got m is 4 by 5, substitute here, is equal to 5 into 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. 3 4s are 12 divided by 5 is equal to 5 4s are 20 by 5 minus 8 by 5. Now 12 by 5 is equal to, take LCM, since the denominators are equal, so we can subtract this 20 minus 8. 20 minus 8 you get. 20 minus 8 is nothing but 12, and 5 will get cancelled. So 12 is equal to 12. So therefore m is equal to 4 by 5 is exactly correct answer. Okay children. Now next is homework. So homework part I have given in that exercise, that is 3.3. This is the homework. I will just settle second, third, fourth, fifth. See once again, I hope you are all seeing here properly. Second, third, fourth, seventh, ninth. So these are the, I think, 5 problems you have to solve in homework notebook. Okay children, when you are submitting homework, classwork and even test, okay, that and all you have to submit by writing your name and class, children, because I cannot identify your only that means a number comes in when you send personally, only the mobile number comes. So I cannot, that means without your name and class I can't find out who is submitting. Okay, please submit by writing your name and class also. Okay children, okay, this is your part 2. Okay, hope you all understood, and I will send this notes now. After this video I will send this notes. Okay, write down the notes, continue the notes, okay, and watch the video. Okay, thank you children.